And let me tell you, he was right about that. So I want to know who's ready to have some fun today at Tiana Place. All right, here goes. Well, to get the fun started, I need y'all to answer 3 big questions for me today. Now, question number 1, are you hungry? Yeah. Oh, well, I knew you were. Nothing makes all this food taste better than love, right, baby? And a salt to say. To stir everything up in here, so question number 2. Are y'all ready to get this place swinging with some Nolan's jazz? Yeah. Well, I sure hope so. That leads me to my 3rd and final question. Now, this ain't just a restaurant and this ain't just a stage. This is the South's one and only Southern Love Dance Hall. So everybody, are y'all ready to dance today? Yeah. Right, and please welcome to the stage our very special musical guests, the Crawfish Crooners.
Thank you, Miss Tiana, and thank you, everybody. We hope you have as much fun here today as we're in the house. So enjoy the food, enjoy the fun. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a little crazy in here. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, how I want to be in the wonder when the saints go marching in. Oh, when this band begins to play, when the bass begins to play, oh, how I want to be in the wonder when the sax begins to play.